Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. That's me, Krushi, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the last project from JavaScript. Yeah, it has ended a little bit too fast, but yeah, here we are with the last project. So this is the words project. So we're actually creating a test and scripter, and it should take multiple words which are already given to us. So what I have to do is we have to output a combined version where each word is separated by a dollar symbol. Now, how that it looks like, let's just take this second example of y. So it should actually look like something like, let's say we have, sorry, we have the dollar, then we have this, then we have the dollar, then we have is, then we have the dollar, and we have the awesome, and we have to end with the dollar. So this should be the output for the variable y, but not in caps. So turning caps. So that's how it should actually look out. So we have everything. We have the words, we have the constructor. What we just have to do is to print them out with these dollar symbols. So we actually just need 2 steps to print it out. So let's just start with it. Let me write the first one. For the variable s, we're going to use a this dot words dot join, and in the bracket we're going to have the dollar. What it's going to do, it's actually going to make this thing. It's going to make this is awesome with $2 as symbols. The end ones are not going to be there, but by the second step we're going to have the end one as well. So we are going to add the dollar symbols to the first and the last one. So let's just write down the second step. So for the second step, we're actually going to print it, or we're going to just use console.log to give it as the output. So we're going to actually use concatenation right now. So we're going to have dollar, we're going to do a plus, and we're going to have s, which is the whole series of our words. Then we have another one, and then we in the end have another dollar. Sorry, we have the dollar. So what is this step going to do is we have this as our s. So here this is s. It's just going to add the dollar in the front and the end. So this is going to give us the final output. It just add the colon, and let's see if it works. Okay, so we have a bunch of errors right here. Okay, there's a mistake in like here. Let's see what it is. So now as we run, we just see that we got that test case. I just restarted the whole thing because the error was not in our code, it was from the given code. So I just restarted the thing and it is here. This matches the expected output. As you can see, okay, let me just put down. Yeah. So we have the dollar hey hey, dollar ho ho, dollar ha ha, dollar he he, and dollar hoo hoo, which are all joined with the dollar, and we have the ending and starting dollars as well. So for the this is awesome, it's the exact same thing which I already showed. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. If you like the video, just like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.